Welcome back to Moto Insight, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love high-performance SUVs, today's video is for you. We're diving into the new 2025 Audi RS Q8, an absolute powerhouse that blends luxury, speed, and cutting-edge technology. Stick around as we break down its design, performance, and features. Let's get started. The Audi RS Q8 has always been a statement SUV, combining the brute force of a performance car with the practicality of an SUV. For 2025, Audi has taken things to the next level, refining its aggressive looks, enhancing performance, and upgrading the tech inside. Starting with the exterior, the RS Q8 continues to command attention with its bold presence. The single-frame grille is now even larger, featuring a more pronounced honeycomb pattern. Audi has also tweaked the Matrix LED headlights, giving them a sharper, more dynamic look. The redesigned front bumper and larger air intakes add to its aggressive stance, while the wider fenders emphasize its muscular build. At the rear, the OLED taillights and an updated diffuser with massive dual exhaust tips complete the RS Q8's sporty look. Under the hood, the 2025 RS Q8 remains a beast. It's powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out a staggering 600 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. And if you opt for the RS Q8 Performance version, you get an even more extreme 640 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Quattro all-wheel drive. This SUV can launch from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.6 seconds, faster than some supercars. Handling has also improved. Audi's adaptive air suspension allows you to switch between comfort and dynamic modes effortlessly. The rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, while the RS-specific sport differential ensures maximum grip in corners. Whether you're cruising on highways or attacking tight curves, the RS Q8 delivers a thrilling driving experience. Inside, the 2025 RS Q8 is a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The cabin features RS-specific sport seats, wrapped in premium Valcona leather with contrast stitching. The flat-bench steering wheel, carbon fiber accents, and Alcantara finishes remind you that this is not just any SUV, it's an RS model. Technology-wise, Audi has packed the RS Q8 with its latest innovations: the 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus, the 10.1-inch MMI touchscreen, and a lower 8.6-inch display for climate controls provide a seamless and futuristic interface. The head-up display now includes performance metrics, while the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Audi has also stepped up in the safety and driver assistance department. The RS Q8 now comes with adaptive cruise assist, lane change warning, and 360-degree cameras. The improved predictive suspension can scan the road ahead and adjust accordingly, making long drives even more comfortable. Now let's talk about pricing. The standard RS Q8 is expected to start around $130,000, while the performance variant could push that number closer to $150,000. While it's not cheap, it offers a level of performance and luxury that rivals even the Lamborghini Urus at a fraction of the price. So, is the 2025 Audi RS Q8 worth it? If you're looking for an SUV that delivers supercar-level performance, a high-tech interior, and everyday practicality, then yes, it's an absolute no-brainer. Audi has fine-tuned an already impressive machine, making it faster, smarter, and more refined than ever. That wraps up our look at the new 2025 Audi RS Q8. What do you think? Would you pick this over the BMW X6 MEM or Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.